Welcome back, all you YouTube nail mother lovers. Today we're making this up in the top corner. It's got a fall vibe, could be translated to Halloween, but super easy. Alright everybody, we're starting off with a base coat, always with the base coat for adhesion, but stop to look at the set that I am wearing. They are spectacular. They are encapsulated with Madame Glam's builder gel in the blue and in the clear, and they contain the glitters, I'm calling them feathers, the leaf glitters that we're using today. So we're starting off with a base of a forest green kind of color. It's nice and thin, goes on nice and thin. That helps us to not get too thick on the nail and it won't crinkle in the lamp. And as the decal begged and pleaded, subscribe for a little bit of nail fun. We do all sorts on this channel. I've been away for a while, but I'm getting back into it, so give me a break. This is our second layer of our green color today. Like I said, nice and thin. It helps to keep the shape and form of the nail. Whether you're doing ballerina or stiletto, this is just a nice round, natural kind of thing. Everything's curing for 1 minute, and now we are taking the best foil glue I have come across, the Makarkt nail art glue. But put in the comments, can you guess my mistake before you see it? Can you see it? Can you guess it? So I'm applying the foil art glue, and it's hard to see because it's clear, I get that. I'm applying it in a swoopy across from right to left, swoopy from right, jaggedy down to the bottom of the nail, a little jaggedy bit off to the left of the nail, little jaggedy bit off to the right of the nail, and just putting a bit more of the gel at the bottom of the nail so that we know we have proper adhesion to the foil glue. Now normally cook your foil glue for 2 minutes. If you've only got skinny lines like this, 30 seconds. Can you guess it? Can you guess what I've done wrong? You can see. You can see what I've done wrong. So, for those of you who don't understand my carrying on, what should have happened is coming on the screen right now. So before the foil gel, I should have removed the sticky layer, buffed the surface, and then applied the gel on the top of the buff surface. The reason it stuck is because the green gel layer was sticky as well as the transfer foil gel layer being sticky. So, my bad. When you're doing transfer gel, take the sticky layer off, give it a buff, a light buff, because you don't want to take too much colour off, and then put the foil gel on. I just forget because foil gel is my nemesis normally, but you can see here it's gone on pretty well considering the foil gel had to be reapplied. I'm just pressing here and there, and then we will get our what looks like, or is supposed to look like, a branch. Now the branch is going to be covered in a rubber base, and I'm using a rubber base because it's thick and it helps seal in the three-dimensionality of that foil glue. And into the rubber base I am adding the fall leaf glitter. It is actually a glitter. I got it from my Dumb Blonde fall glitter collection packet, and they are great. They shimmer like golds and greens and browns. They're just really pretty. In the cure that for a minute, and then we are going to use, as you can see, we are going to use a rubber top coat. Now, the rubber top coat does two things. It gives the nail, if you're creating a set of press-ons, gives the nail some protection because it's firm but not rigid, and it's nice and thick, so it also covers the ridges without having to do buffing and topping and all that. And here, my friends, my nail nerds, my YouTube nail mother lovers, this is the final product. Please like and subscribe if you like what you see. I've tried to step you through as best I can so that you can put a simple design on your own nail at home. I'm not into pretending like I know everything, but I will get you looking fabulous. See you later, everybody.